Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in the core cards and understanding elixir flow. Combine log, goblin barrel, a small tank like knight, and cheap support units now. First actionable step, probe the opponent with a low-risk goblin barrel to read their counters. While you watch their response, make sure to conserve 5 elixir cycles so you can punish misplays. Once done, use log preemptively if they show swarms. This both chips tower health and trains their baiting tendencies. Now you escalate by sequencing pressure to strip their answers. You alternate goblin barrel with cheap troops, so they must choose between log, arrows, or a splash unit. That choice opens lanes. Defend proactively. Counter big pushes with knight plus bats to secure positive elixir trades. Make sure to rotate back to core cards while keeping a 3-4 elixir reserve for sudden counters. Once you identify their weakest spell timing, exploit it repeatedly to create consistent tower chip. You close the match by forcing spell deficiency and finishing with layered pressure. When their spell is out, commit a goblin barrel plus another cheap threat. This guarantees tower damage. Make sure to pair log with barrels to remove defensive swarms and secure predictable chips. If things go wrong and your bait repeatedly fails, swap one goblin barrel for a furnace or miner to change tempo and create new windows. That substitution resets opponent expectations and restores your ability to score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.